Hello friends, welcome to my studio. Today we're going to unbox the Anna Griffin April 2026 mystery box. So let's get started. First of all, we've got this really nice tissue paper. She has the best paper, and I've said before I reuse mine. And look, we have a kit. Oh, this is so nice. And I love the color combinations. You know, for spring and summer, this is a perfect kit. Let's get the box out of the way and look at this beautiful kit we have to work with. Okay, I'm excited. Can you tell? I love to get things as a surprise. You know, I order so much stuff, especially, I guess in the last 2 or 3 years, I've ordered a lot of Anna Griffin's products. And I love her products. They're great. They're high quality. She always does an A+ job. Okay. Let's see what we have. Sorry for the noise, guys, that happens with unboxings. I'm so excited. Okay, first we have a butterfly die, and you have 2 different sizes, front-facing butterflies, and then you have one facing the right. Very nice, very nice. Okay, then we have a pack of ephemera. We'll go through that. We have sentiments. We have envelopes. We have cards. And it looks like our card inserts. Oh, we have these beautiful pink bows. I love Anna's bows. Thank you, Anna. And it looks like maybe some type of chipboard stickers. I don't know. We'll see. We have to open it. Okay, let's start with the paper, and I love the first paper. Just a little thing about me. I love Oriental decorating. I do. I've been collecting Oriental home decor since I was a teenager. The first bedroom that I got to design. And this is just beautiful. Pinks and not turquoise. Yeah, there's turquoise right there. It's pink and teal, blue. Oh, it's just beautiful. I can see so many things, not just scrapbooks, that we can do with this. On the back, it's white. Okay, we have 2 sheets of that. Oh, this is so beautiful. And it's a it's kind of like a deep olive green with pink, and again it's white on the back. We have, it looks like an Oriental type gazebo, and I should know the name of that, but right off the top of my head I don't. And this is a teal blue, almost leaning toward a dark turquoise. I love it. 2 of those. I can't wait to create with these papers and you guys share with me. I can't wait. Oh, and look at this. Gorgeous. Now this to me is perfect for a scrapbook page. Love it. Absolutely. A double spread. Yes, ma'am. Yes. And here we go. Then we have, you know, I'm a 70s girl, and I would say this is hot pink. But some might call it magenta or fuchsia. Beautiful. Look at the design. It's just so beautiful. Oh, and it's white on the back as well. And then our last print is green and pink and white. And it looks like it's a flower pattern with maybe some type of fans on there. And it's white on the back, and again you get 2. Then the cards we get, let's open these up. the same prints, I'm assuming. We get 2 of the peacock. Love. Oh, I can just see this, not just as a card, but you can use these to make beautiful dies for your pages and projects, which I would probably do that. We have the green, 2 of those. We have the teal, we have 2 of those. Yes, I can just see so many gorgeous projects, journals, art boards, all kinds of things that we can make with these. Love them. And yes, they would make beautiful cards, but I don't know. This is a special paper to me because I love the Asian prints and motifs. I love it. Okay. Then we have the card inserts. Let's see what they say. We have, oh, sending warm thoughts your way. Very nice. You know, I have a lot of friends that have retired, and I have just recently retired myself, and I finally have time to do all these creative things, and these cards are just great. May all your wishes come true. It's a great way to keep in touch with friends that you used to see every day. And it gives you something to sit down and enjoy creating. Thinking of you and hoping each new day will find you feeling better. Very nice. Again, thinking of you, blah, blah, blah. And then we have, oh, that one's turned differently. Wishing you joy on this very special day. That's nice. I like it. I hope I'm not getting a lot of shadowing up there. I'm kind of new to this video thing, and so if my videos are not perfect, I apologize, but I will work on getting better. Just comment, like my video and comment, and I'll do something about it. I love you with all my heart. I know a lot of people I want to give that to. I have a big heart, so there's room for everybody. And then just a little note, just a word or two, thanking you for who you are and the special things you do. I know somebody that deserves that card. You know, we all have that one person that steps out of their comfort zone and makes sure that everybody is celebrated and loved and considered, and I have one of those people in my life, and I will definitely have to make a card for her. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, these are stickers. I don't think that, yeah, these are not stickers. These are ephemera. So let's just go through these real quick. We have, and the reason I say they're not stickers, that they don't have a sticky back, okay? We have this little border, 2 of those. We have 2 of these. 2 of this print. I hope I'm in frame. 2 butterflies. I love butterflies because, you know, they're the sign of rebirth, new chances, new opportunities, new you. We all have at some point been a butterfly, where things are changing in our life and we're in a new season, and you know, we make the best of it. These are lanterns. Oh, how pretty. Love. And we have green butterflies. That could almost be a moth. And we've got some green flowers, pretty. And a pink lantern, super pretty. I'm showing you straight side and upside down. I hope I'm in frame. I don't have my camera mirrored anywhere, so I'm like, okay, hopefully this works. There we go. We got a left and right on these, and that's good. Now, what I wanted to share with you, when you have these types of this type of ephemera from Anna, and it does not have a sticky back, this is what I use, the art glitter glue, and I love it. I go through bottles of this. I use it for a lot of different projects. And if you have a better glue, by all means, I would appreciate it if you liked my video and commented and let me know what you like, because I started with the art glitter glue several years ago when it was like the new thing, and I just really have not even challenged myself to try anything else because I've been so happy with it. Okay, let's go through the actual stickers. Now, these have a sticky back, but again, I would add a little bit of art glitter glue or whatever your favorite glue is. Over time, they could come unstuck. Anna has even mentioned that herself before, I think. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, Anna, but someone mentioned it. And see, all you do is I use this little pokey tool, and you just poke it through the paper and pull it, and there's your sticky part right there. They're great. Okay, we have a foil flower. We have another foil flower and one that matches it. We have a beautiful magenta hot pink flower. We have like a little cluster, another foil flower. There we go. It looks like we're getting 2 of each design, which is great if you're scrapbooking or even card making, because you always want to duplicate things on your pages so that it's comfortable to a person's eye when they're looking at your pages, and you want everything to flow so that they enjoy your pages. We'll put some pages together. I'll go over some of that with you, which if you're at this channel, I'm sure you're already a scrapbooker. And if you're not a scrapbooker and you need some beginner classes, I'd be happy to do some beginner classes on my channel. I've been scrapbooking, I think, around 30 years, so I am seasoned. I have done it all with scrapbooking. Back when all we had were some markers and pens, and we didn't have all the cool stuff we've got today. And I'm thankful for all the cool stuff. I'm just putting these up here and showing them to you because most of them are duplicates. And here, oh, look at the pretty blue one. I love that. And we have more foil, left and right, which is nice. Again, we want our pages to be symmetrical, you know. And if we're going to get doubles, it's nice to get the left and the right. Sometimes we don't, but this kit seems to have that. I love this kit. Thank you so much, Anna. I'm going to get so much joy out of this kit. I just envision so many projects with this, and scrapbook pages and cards. Thank you. You know, it's just so nice of her to do this for us. I hope I'm not going too fast. Okay. Cute. Okay. Okay. Keep forgetting where my lens is at. Here we go. More blue. More foil. This is a huge bag of ephemera. I attended Anna's create event, and I thought I got a lot of flowers then, but boy, this is a lot of flowers. It's a lot of ephemera, but the thing that's nice, there is so much you can do with this. This kit is amazing. And we shall do some things together. I hope you come back and visit me. I'm excited about my channel. I'm excited to be part of the YouTube community. I'm excited to be part of all the ladies and gentlemen that participate in sharing their creative projects on YouTube. And I'm excited that I am at a place in my life where, as I mentioned, I'm retired, so I have time to do this, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I used to teach art at my church, and so this is perfect for me, and I hope you like it. And if you do like it, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. Okay, here are the sentiments. Have a very happy birthday. Get well soon. Maybe over here. Another get well soon. A day is made more beautiful when touched with your kindness. I like that. That's so sweet. Very happy birthday. To have a good friend is one of the sweetest delights of life. Love this. And that would just look great in a scrapbook with a tiny bit of journaling to put the person's name. For someone special, sorry. Again, for someone special. May your birthday be as special as you are. And may your birthday be as special as you are. Where's my, I don't know where I'm at. Okay. All right. So look at this. This is great. We got so much in our kit, including these gorgeous pink bows. I love Anna's bows. They're so precious, and they look so good on the projects. I'm going to try to get all this out here so you can see what all is included, because it's crazy. There's just so much. And we also get all of this beautiful paper on top of everything else. Let me just see. Look at this. It's crazy. There's just so much in this kit. Again, thank you everybody for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, a blessed day, and I hope that you're enjoying your day and your family and everything going on in your life. I hope you come back and visit me again, because there will be a part 2 to this video, and that's the part where I'm going to show you what I made with all this beautiful stuff. And maybe we'll even do a class together, okay? Comment below and let me know if you'd like to do a class, and if you would like a class, tell me what kind, okay? Thanks again. Have a beautiful day. Bye.